Here we have a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have the black sapphire metallic paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, the gloss black front grills. We also have the full M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter. We have the side skirts along the bottom as well. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. With the shark fin antennae up top, we also have the eDrive badging as well. We have the rear spoiler. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust as well. The 330e badging on the rear tailgate. If we open the boot up just like so, you'll find that we have plenty of space back here. You have the charger on the left and also a storage net on the right. If we close that back up and then walk back round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre. We also have the fixed ISO points as well. The vents for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front, again the full leather interior. Both of these front seats are heated, and there is a quick look at them. On the doors we have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the auto lights and the auto wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters on either side. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control as well. The high beam assist just there on that stalk. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard, only one being for the range, so nothing to worry about. We also have the main infotainment screen on the centre, which has the lights of the sat-nav. If the screen is flickering, that's just the camera, so nothing to worry about. It's not flickering in real life. So we also have a range of media such as the radio. We also have the Bluetooth and the USB as well. CD player just there as well. We also have the phone connectivity as well. We have all the different drive modes, so we have Eco Pro, we have Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. We also have the different eDrive drive modes as well. So you can see we have the Max, we have the Save and also the Auto. Putting the car into reverse, you find we have the parking sensors just there, front and rear. Put it back into park mode, moving it further down, you find that we have the climate control. We also have the heated seats on either side with the ice cold air conditioning, all working just as it should do, as you can see. We have the wireless phone charging as well just there, with the cup holders hidden away underneath there. The different drive mode buttons, we have the parking sensors button. We also have the shortcuts just here for the infotainment screen. Nice leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.